Hey, to use Do Not Disturb mode on the CMF phone 1, first of all you will have to open the settings, then you will have to go for notifications, and now you will have to start scrolling until you find the Do Not Disturb mode. Next, you can actually set what and who can interrupt during the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you want to still receive notifications from any application, you can just add this application here. So let's say that I want to get notifications from my Google, and now I will be able to actually enable notifications. Now I can turn it on, and also we can find some schedules. We get the duration of the Do Not Disturb mode quick settings. We can also find to display options for hidden notifications. You can actually customize here some options and set them to your own preferences. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.